Hi everyone, this is me Farhan. You are watching Farhan Pulse. Did you notice every single Honda scooters and Honda bikes, this small badging is present there? Honda Ecotech. What is meant by Honda Ecotech? How it is done by Honda? Is there any benefits for getting this technology in our Honda bikes? Let's see in this video. You know, all the Honda bikes like Honda Activa and Honda Shine and Honda Dream Yuga, like this, every single Honda bikes are sounds like a butter smooth engine, very smooth refined engine we had got. Like this Honda Unicorn 150cc engine, every single Honda engine is a refined butter smooth engine. How it is possible to make Honda a better mileage in high cc bikes, and how the engine refinement is done by Honda technology, Honda Eco technology? Let's see in this video how the Honda is achieving this Honda Eco technology. First, reducing the friction by using an offset cam. There is a small movement in the cam section between the crank and the cam is being offset, so there is no vibration in the engine. Second point is significantly reducing the weight of the reciprocating parts. What is reciprocating parts? Reciprocating parts like piston, connecting rod, crank. These are the reciprocating parts. The weight of the reciprocating parts will be decreased, so there is no vibration in Honda engines. Third point, using low tension piston ring and improved bearing oil seal. The Honda engines are using low tension piston ring. There is 3 piston rings present in the piston to avoid the wear losses, and compression ring and the oil ring. So they are using the low tension piston ring. By using these rings, the smoothness is increased and the friction is reduced. And the bearing, why we use bearing in the every part, each rotating parts, to reduce the friction losses. So they can using a very good quality bearing material will be used in their engines. Improving combustion by using a highly ignitable nickel spark plug and optimized inlet port. In other brands, they are using low quality spark plugs, but in the Honda engines they are using nickel coated spark plugs, so the life of the spark will be increased and enhanced, so the mileage will be increased. The combustion process is 100%. And the optimized inlet port, there is 2 ports for one is inlet and the one is outlet. In from the inlet port, the air fuel mixture is get into the cylinder, so there is some changes to enhance their mileage and performance. They are making some changes to the inlet port, maintaining the power with increased mileage by optimizing pulley converted ratio and driving force. They are changing some minor changes in their driven gears and pulleys, and to refine their engine and making more mileage and better performance. This can be achieved in the bikes for better performance and great mileage, so the people are eager to buy these kinds of Honda bikes. Thank you for watching.